Hi, I'm Deputy Lamger with the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you is that you have no back license plate on your car at all.
I'm sorry.
And you also need a back windshield.
Yeah, yep. It just got knocked out, and I literally, the paper is back there. It's just plastic, and it keeps falling off.
Okay, you got your license on you?
I do not. I was just grabbing my mama some Wendy's and going back home.
I got you. You do have a license?
Yes.
You got any weapons or any drugs in the car?
No, just a bunch of clothes.
On October 8th, 2025, Franklin County Sheriff's deputies in Ohio stopped a vehicle for 2 visible violations: no rear license plate and missing rear windshield. What followed demonstrates how deception transforms routine traffic enforcement into serious criminal charges.
Hi, I'm Deputy Lamger with the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you is that you have no back license plate on your car at all.
I'm sorry.
And you also need a back windshield.
Yeah, yep. It just got knocked out, and I literally, the paper is back there. It's just plastic, and it keeps falling off.
Okay, you got your license on you?
I do not. I was just grabbing my mama some Wendy's and going back home.
I got you. You do have a license?
Yes.
You got any weapons or any drugs in the car?
No, just a bunch of clothes. Yeah.
Can you turn the car off for me? Car doing a whole lot of beeping and stuff.
Oh.
Sure.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Hunt.
Hunt.
Yes.
All right, just hang tight.
She say why she jumped into that gas station and then jumped back out.
Check for this.
She probably know.
What's that?
I said she knows that she was avoiding us.
Sorry, sir, I'm out of the jet.
I'm not gonna talk to her for a minute while you're doing this. Did she pop?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
I was just you got to navigate through the screen.
Yeah.
They don't pop off.
I'm just waiting. He ran my things. He looking through the car. I'm just looking around. But you know, all my clothes and stuff is in here.
So where are you coming from tonight?
My mom's house.
Where's that?
On Highland.
On Highland?
Yep.
Okay.
On Highland.
All right. And where are you going to?
I was going to Rallies because the one that's on Mountain is closed. I was going to go to the one on Georgesville and grab us some food and head back home.
Oh, okay. All right. Why'd you pull into the BP?
I needed gas.
You needed gas? How much gas did you get?
None, because when I scanned my card, it wouldn't work. So I was just like, I'll make it back. I was just trying to get gas because that's the closest one that's normally open.
Okay. All right. All right. And there's nothing illegal in this car at all? Okay. All right. All right. Would you have any problem with us checking the car?
Why do y'all want to check my car?
I
just want to know why y'all want to check it.
I'm just because, like, my training experience, usually if somebody sees us and then ducks right into a gas station and then the moment we leave.
I didn't see it.
Okay. And then the moment that we go out of sight, that person starts driving again, it's usually an indicator that they're trying to avoid us. So I'm curious what's going on. Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
No? Never for anything ever?
No.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So.
There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't. Mom, should I let them check my car? I mean, there's nothing in here, but you know, I just started driving this one again because the other one stopped. So I don't. I have a lot of stuff in here though because I just moved a lot.
You're trying to move, and all that stuff is still in there.
But it's like I don't want to feel like I'm hiding anything, but I just also don't want them just ransacking through my car either.
Ask them what are they looking for.
He said just because I
I can tell you specifically what I'm looking for is guns and drugs.
Oh, guns and drugs. And I ain't got that. I just don't know. I've never had that question asked to me. I've always been told to just go, like.
Would you have any concerns about guns or drugs ever being in this vehicle before? Do you associate with people who use either?
No, it's not that. It's just like I was just telling my mom. I have a lot of stuff in here from moving in general. Like,
well, I mean, it's totally up to you. I'm not gonna like.
I just
flip your
like,
car upside down.
I don't want to say no and then I'd be in trouble, but I don't want to say yes.
You're not going to be in trouble if you're not going to be in trouble if you say no. It's your constitutional right to say no.
I would but I'm not hiding it. Oh my god, I just want to eat.
It's totally up to you.
I've never had a good experience with what I've heard about cops going through cars.
All right. That's fine. So I tried asking her about searching the car, and she got weird about it, and she was like, and she's on the phone with her mom. She's like, should I say yes or no? You know, I don't want to act like I'm hiding anything, but, you know, I don't know what they're looking for, and I just started driving this car, and I was like, do you associate with people who have guns or drugs? And she was like, no. I was like, have you ever been arrested before? She's like, no.
She seemed pretty clean. But I'm going to go get that VIN number because...
Well, we got K96 here. You want to sniff or not? Yeah. You want one? Yeah. Okay.
I would assume that that's probably a good indicator, though, is even if she's not, if she's worried about it,
yeah,
you can tell. Oh. Wasn't expecting it to be quite still.
Broken?
I don't know what the word would be. The word would still, but is it rain? And it's probably not airtight. Is that the tag for it? Yeah.
Probably. She said there's one back there.
Quite old. Yeah, I figured by the fact that it has a T on it.
There's a liquor bottle. I'm not getting any indicators of intoxication though from her.
I didn't smell it.
She's not slurring her words. Like, there's nothing to make me think that she's intoxicated. That's also an option.
Negative, thank you.
She's got a speeding ticket.
Welcome.
I would also assume that she's probably got marijuana in the car.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I would reason to believe that the bottle on the floor is recent, simply because if you look, number one, she has shoes on that you would probably go to a bowling club in. She has a jacket as well. She also has her eyelashes on. So I find it hard to believe that she was at the house hanging out, going to rallies and just wanted to get gas. She's dressed up as if she was probably at a bar or had been drinking. So there's also there's a marijuana-shaped ashtray on the floor.
I saw that in there.
In the back passenger door. So I would guess that she's probably nervous based on when it has shit in it. I can see the bottle before we.
I'm not sure that's her. Can we get a? Let's see.
Either way, I saw the bottle.
Ain't no way.
Hey, is this her?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Yeah, I'd say he's been talking to it.
I don't know, she got a lot of makeup. It doesn't look like her, but...
Juice might be worth the squeeze.
Go ask her, did she just give you the social and that's it?
She gave me her social and her name.
When you ran the car, is it supposed to be registered to her?
Buddy,
allegedly?
Buddy, I haven't touched this CAD.
Well, that's what I'm wondering, is if she's saying she told Sarge, or was in his presence, said that she's trying to get the registration switched over to her. If it's registered allegedly to her, if that's switch is the same, then we know she just gave you the sister's info.
Yeah, it comes back to the name on it. So she probably gave sister's
information.
Yeah.
Confront her with it.
Oh, sake.
I'm asleep. This is her car. We're trying to get stuff switched over to B now.
You ain't got no work badge in here or nothing? I don't think so.
Ma'am, go ahead and step out of the car.
Yeah. Hang up that phone.
Mom, they want me to hang up the phone, but I don't want to hang up the phone.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, so I'm going to give you one chance right now.
Mom, I don't know what to do.
I'm going to give you, listen, stop talking to your mother and listen to me. Do you understand?
Yes.
Put the phone down.
I'm going to give you one chance. What's your real name?
I told you my name.
So, what is your name? Tell me. That's your name?
Yes.
That's who you are?
Yes.
Okay, is this car registered in your name?
No, it is not. It's my little sister's.
Okay, then why is the car coming up registered in the name?
My name, it shouldn't come up registered in the name. It should come up registered under the name Desiree. This is my sister's car. I'm trying to get it trans over to me.
Okay, go ahead and step to the front of the car right over here.
She's got a bunch of tattoos. See if they're listening.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
This is why I don't like driving this when I would have just drove the truck.
It's got a weed fucking emblem on it.
Mm.
And there is liquid missing from it.
Like everything in this, I'm still here, but that's what I'm saying. Everything in here is dead. Like I grabbed her keys off the thing because I couldn't grab the truck.
Well, she's got a warrant. We can just take her on the warrant.
No, I'm not.
The bags are interesting too. That's a lot of bags.
And I didn't bring it. I should have got it. I'm on Sullivan, across from that heat bank.
That's got an open model.
Yeah.
Like right when you cast the Donatos on them rings.
But how do I
Yes,
open
please.
the container? How do we know that she hasn't consumed it tonight?
Yeah. I think the safe place confirmed the warrant.
Yeah, I would. That's.
And they'll fingerprint her there.
All the time.
If she's getting in the back of the car, she needs to give up her phone. Hey.
Yep. At this point, I'm thinking that we could take her.
Just do the warrant.
Just go ahead and do it. Because
Right over here. Step over here. Yep. Go ahead and confirm it. Scratch out the site for failure to display and no safety glass. And we'll do it that way. Yep. Ma'am?
Yes.
So are you aware that you have a warrant?
Who has it?
I don't know. Tell me who. Are you?
Yes, I don't.
Is that your
have a
name?
warrant. Yes.
Okay, then you possibly have a warrant for your arrest.
For what?
Some kind of traffic citation you didn't pay.
The
Something
only
you
ticket
didn't.
I've ever gotten was on High Street, and it was a little ticket in the dash thing, and I paid that.
We're confirming it right now, but the photo of you that we have on record does not look anything like you.
Didn't I just tell you that? Like, it's because I'm depressed. I'm losing weight. Like, I have double chin and all. Like, I could take my contacts out, my wig off, my lashes. I am the exact same person. I'm just not fat anymore.
Also, there's some kind
Me and
of
my sister damn near look identical. Like,
there's some kind of THC drink in your car in the
there.
door. Yeah, what's that about?
I told you, well, I didn't tell you, I told your partner I was moving everything from my old house to my mom's house, so everything in both of our cars is just packed. There's just stuff everywhere. There's an ashtray on the front floor, and there's just a lot of stuff.
Okay.
But that bottle should be in.
So, have you had any of that THC liquid tonight?
No.
Okay.
If you're moving, why do you move an empty bottle?
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing.
And why do you put it right within reach? If you're moving,
Yeah.
and it's trash, I usually put my trash on the passenger floor and then clean it up eventually if I have trash. But why would I retain it if you're moving?
You could do SFSTs, but I don't know if that's gonna find anything.
Yeah, it's only around one.
Dude, I don't know.
I ain't built for the cold.
Her story about losing weight might be true, but doesn't that look... She's got that scar right there. Can you see if she's got that scar on her eyebrow?
Yeah, hold on. Turn that brightness up on that. In the eyebrow.
Scar. Where at?
Right eyebrow. I could have sworn.
Or right one.
Right out. I'm doing double work.
She's about to go to jail for failure to identify.
Is that her sister?
This is Desiree that we're looking at right now.
Okay, so on her right eyebrow, it looked like it's cut. Did you see that, Ganine?
What's up? I'm sorry.
Did you see her eyebrow?
Yeah, it's got the line in it like that does. Yeah.
Hold on, we're gonna go back to the other sister. I'm just trying to see.
I don't think that's her.
I don't think it is either.
And guess what? She the one who got the warrant.
She's also got leads alerts though.
There's no listing for scars, marks, tattoos
I didn't see it.
on the warrant. Is it on leads?
Well, let's try and navigate this shit. I think she's lying.
I think so.
I think so too, but will she give her sister information?
Well, she gave her sister's information, then said she was trying to transfer it over from her sister. And the car's registered to you. And then she's like, no, it should be...
I ran the VIN.
Yeah, you ran the VIN, it comes back to unique. I looked.
Oh, okay, you did.
Yeah, I looked. I hate it when people do this because it becomes such a problem. Especially when it's like a sister. It becomes such a problem identifying. And she's got no arrest record, she's just lying about a warrant. We're gonna inventory one way or another the car's going. It's either she's and has a warrant, or she's Desiree and has a warrant, but either way she has a warrant.
Fair enough.
I also don't think Desiree has a driver's license. Hey, hold off for a second. Just 1 second. Desiree don't have a driver's license, does she?
Suspended.
She is suspended? Yep, there we go. Yep. Hey, we're good. Yeah.
That's her own.
So that's Desiree's prescription right there. Put your hands behind your back.
And he told me to put my hands behind my back.
Just like you're praying.
I don't know. He's cuffing though. I don't really know. He's not telling me anything.
We'll explain everything.
He said he'll explain everything in a second.
Nothing in this coat?
No, you guys just
Okay.
gave it to me.
Okay.
My,
Walk over here.
I'm walking away from my phone. I don't know what's going on.
All right, Desiree. Now's the time to come clean. Go ahead and take a seat.
Desiree, here's your options.
Hey, there's a 40.
40. What? Yeah.
Oh. What?
So, what's your real name? Okay. Yeah, okay, is that the story you're gonna stick with?
Why do you guys keep asking me my sister's
Listen.
name?
Either way,
My mom's on the phone.
listen
She'll
to
tell you
me.
who I am.
Either way, your sister, she has a warrant, and Desiree has a warrant. I got reasons to believe that you are Desiree, and you are driving with a suspended license, and all you had to do was say so. It would have been a ticket, and that would have been the end of it.
We don't typically, it's just traffic stuff, but now because you've been lying to us, you got additional charges.
So here's your options. You're gonna have multiple additional charges, or you can just tell me your real name. Because right now I got you on obstruction, falsification, and failure to provide. Or you can just give me your real name and you can just take obstruction.
What is that?
That you delayed our investigation. And all you had to do from the very beginning was tell me your right name. And that would have been the end of it. You would have just got a driving under suspension ticket.
Why would I get a driving under suspension ticket?
Because you are suspended.
That's literally not. Oh my god, this is going to irritate me.
Yep.
This is why I told her we shouldn't do this.
Yeah, everything in the car is Desiree.
It's literally why I told her we shouldn't do this.
So you are Desiree.
Yes, but my sister said as long as I'm driving her car, because it's not switched over yet, to tell them that I'm her.
Okay, Desiree. That's it. Just
and my license aren't suspended. I literally.
It said your license is suspended from an accident, but that's beyond the point. Just be aware. Desiree, listen to me. Listen to me. Just be aware that for the future, we do have means to see who people are. We have pictures, and I knew
that.
Immediately. Okay, just start telling the truth. So you.
It wasn't. She said as long as I'm driving her car that I need to tell them that.
And on another thing too, that firearm in the car.
That's mine.
I asked you, do you have any guns or anything in the car? You said no.
I don't. My purse is in the car.
All right, go ahead and kick your feet.
My purse is in the car, and I never get in trouble. Like, what the f is this? I should have just not listened to her. I should have not listened to her. No.
Under Terry versus Ohio, traffic stops require reasonable suspicion. The missing plate and windshield provided clear legal justification. Deputy Lamb's immediate identification and articulation of violations satisfies Fourth Amendment reasonableness requirements. When asked about weapons, the driver stated, "No, just a bunch of clothes." This denial becomes critical later. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.126 requires concealed carry license holders to promptly inform officers they are armed. The word promptly means immediate disclosure, not disclosure only if discovered. The driver's evasive behavior at the gas station, ducking in when deputies appeared and leaving when they departed, created articulable suspicion. Combined with traffic violations, this justified extending the detention beyond a simple citation. In Berkemer versus McCarty, the Supreme Court established that routine traffic stops are non-custodial. Therefore, Miranda warnings are not required until formal arrest occurs. The deputy's consent search request raises Fourth Amendment questions. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, voluntary consent eliminates Fourth Amendment protection. Critically, officers need not inform citizens of their right to refuse. The key test is whether consent was coerced or freely given. The driver's extended deliberation, calling her mother for advice, demonstrates awareness of her agency in this decision. No threats were made. no promises offered.
Well, she gave her sister's information.
The deputies remained professional and patient. Her eventual consent, though reluctant, was legally voluntary. Under Florida versus Gimeno, general consent to search allows officers to examine any area where contraband might reasonably be located. This includes bags, compartments, and closed containers. When the loaded handgun was discovered in her purse, the encounter transformed. The driver had affirmatively denied having weapons. This created two violations: failure to promptly disclose under Ohio's concealed carry statute, and making a false statement to law enforcement during a lawful investigation. The immediate handcuffing upon weapon discovery was justified under Terry versus Ohio's officer safety doctrine. Deputies had been searching a vehicle for 15 minutes in the presence of an undisclosed loaded firearm. The identity issue involved Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.13, which prohibits falsification to law enforcement. When the driver identified herself as her sister Deseretta instead of her actual name Desiree, she committed a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 180 days jail. Her explanation that her sister advised this strategy is legally irrelevant. Following bad advice is not a defense. The deputy's statement, "All you had to do was tell me your right name and that would have been the end of it," was accurate. Driving under suspension typically results in a citation, not arrest, for first-time violations. The false identification transformed this into an arrestable criminal offense. Deputy Lamb receives a B+. His conduct was constitutional, professional, and tactically sound. The minor deduction reflects that best practice includes explicitly stating the right to refuse consent searches, even though legally not required under Schneckloth. The driver receives an F. She violated multiple Ohio statutes through false identification, failure to disclose her firearm, and making false statements. What would have been a $150 ticket became $850 in fines, criminal record, and 2 years probation. Franklin County Sheriff's Office earns an A- for producing well-trained deputies who understand constitutional policing, and for their transparency in releasing this footage. Key lessons. First, honesty during traffic stops, even when facing violations, produces better outcomes than deception. Second, if you carry concealed, immediate disclosure to law enforcement is both a legal requirement and officer safety imperative. Third, you have the right to refuse consent searches. Exercise it clearly, or don't complain about the search later. Fourth, providing false identification elevates minor violations into serious criminal charges. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for even more police interaction and legal analysis content.